Oh, damn! Oh, so close, man! Oh.
Welcome back, everyone. This week we're at Burnt River again because the trails haven't opened yet. But the weather is nice, so I'm here with Lucas and Brian, and we're just playing around in the Enduro section. We went back and forth between the tracks in the Enduro section. I couldn't make it onto the Enduro section the week before when it was pissing with rain because this whole section was completely flooded. And let's have a look at that again. Yep, he went straight over his handlebars. So there's a little hole in the rocks up there, and I guess the guy didn't slowly scout it out and just sent it up there and went straight into the hole and flipped over the front. Yeah, that's gonna hurt. So yeah, we're just over here practicing on the Enduro section. There's like some logs and some bits and bobs to like practice on, some tires, and try and go the more tough way. Actually, wheelie over these logs. Actually, going this way around, it's quite easy. You don't even have to wheelie. You just drive right into them and you'll go over them. This way around, got to wheelie a bit better. I mistimed that slightly, but luckily momentum carried me over. They're not huge. This Enduro section's nothing particularly crazy, unless you start trying to make it a little bit more crazy. I think those guys just came over to just check us out because we were like playing around here for a while. So I tried to go up the rocks the harder way. Yeah, it didn't work. I went way too slow. Didn't keep momentum. Didn't move forward. Just wheelied up the first rock and then just fell in another hole. I got stuck here for a little bit. I won't make you suffer watching, but that's how I basically got out. Yeah, so this was like Lucas's first day on the track and Brian's first day back here in a couple of years. So this isn't his first lap. We've been going around for hours by now. Just gonna do a lap following Brian today because I don't know, a bit nice to see someone else ride, not just me. I've been trying to work on my cornering and trying to like ride the berms a little bit better. There was some really fast people here today. That guy's faster than us, but he's not the fast guy I was thinking of. There was some guy just like completely sending it over every jump, like the fattest whips I think I've ever seen in my life. Unbelievably fast. There's a tabletop later, which I saw him send the entire tabletop and land on the flat after the down. I was just like, holy crap, that guy is going extremely fast. Yeah, so we'll just follow Brian for a little bit. Brian did say that he could he would be making me eat his dust. So I figured, you know, I'll see about that. So I got a little bit excited. This bike really does pull. That's not even full throttle. I haven't full throttled it on this track once because it's just absolutely terrifyingly fast. But this is where I got a little bit too excited. Well, landed front wheel there. That was fucking scary. So I was like a little bit excited coming out that corner. I've never taken that tabletop that fast, so I did the dumb thing where I slightly came off the throttle, which basically caused me to be kicked. Spooked myself landing front, but I never felt like the bike was going over forward, so I just landed on the front, which I'm not used to. I really like that jump there as well. But like these are all like an amalgamation of laps. This isn't a continuous lap. Just over there. So yeah, just like riding around, get past Brian. Yeah, have at it. Yeah, this is one of the favorite corners. But yeah, I definitely fucked it up that time. And this is how you get re-overtaken. I gained all that space, and well, it doesn't really matter when I'm laying on the floor. He got past me again. It was a good day out. Oh yeah, just saw Lucas over there. It was Lucas's first day out on the track, so you know, it was Lucas's first day out on the track, so you know everybody's gonna be slow the first time. I'm still slow, and this is like my third time now, but at least I'm getting faster and a little bit more confident. And I actually quite like Red River. It's quite nice to learn at. There's nothing here that's super intimidating, and all the jumps feel quite safe, so to speak. Like there's no jumping into other jumps or trying to where you have to like double or whatever. Like there's nothing like that here, so I feel happy to just ride around and practice and stuff. I don't want to blast past Lucas and just scare him. I'm sure he's used to everyone else doing it. Ooh, oh, that was weird. Did I just stall? Yeah. Or was that something else? So I thought, oh, this is a nice straight. I can get past him here. But there is one way to certainly lose races, and that is to have this happen. I was like, oh shit, the bike's cut out. Okay, well, doesn't just immediately turn back on. Probably should try and push it out of the way. Yeah, I ran out of fuel. I've been going quite far. We did something like 2 hours solid riding. I didn't run out of fuel. I just ran out of the main and went to reserve. It does start. So I'm like, okay, well, I still can't ride it. Need to let's get some fuel rolling in, dribbling in. There it goes. Well, probably should call that as the end of the day. End of the video. Not end of the day. Went out and rode another like 30, 40k or something after this. But it's all just going around tracks and mostly the same footage. Me crashing on corners. So yeah, that's about it. See ya.